So you mentioned in your speech at the beginning of the event that right now the market is currently going through a more difficult period. What did you mean by that?
Well, I think you all know in the insurance industry here in Romania that a number of companies are under administration and are having a challenging time. And I think that that trend, or that the likelihood of that happening, has been around for a long time. The whole global insurance industry is changing. There was a model whereby people made a loss on their underwriting in mass classes such as motor or retail property, and hoped to make money on the financial side. But interest rates have basically dropped to zero in developed economies in the US, UK, Europe. And therefore that model has collapsed. And that's why I think we in Certastic are being successful, because our model was never based on that. Our model was that if we couldn't make money on the underwriting, then we wouldn't insure. And that's why we don't write motor business and we focus on the corporate business.
Do you plan to return to motor business sometime in the distant future, maybe, if the market conditions change?
No, because I think the motor business and also the residential property business will become a completely online business. Basically, if you want to insure a two-bedroom flat in Bucharest or insure a standard car, you can do that on the internet. But if you want to insure an oil refinery, you can't do that on the internet, and you'll never be able to do it on the internet. You'll have to have meetings, have to have a proper analysis done. And this is the business that Certastic wishes to be in, because we see these are long-term trends in the industry, and we wanted to position ourselves for the future.
But do these market conditions affect you in any way? Is there an opportunity for you, or maybe, a threat?
I think there's no threat for Certastic. There is an opportunity, because I think some of the larger companies which are under administration, inevitably, some of their corporate business will flow to us. And that's what we see as the opportunity, because we are specialized in certain areas. We do it very professionally. And we are net a profit-making company in Romania. And how many insurance companies in Romania actually make money at the bottom line? And therefore, I think, you may say as a client, I want to insure cheaply. But if you insure with someone who doesn't make any money, eventually they won't pay their claims. And this is the key. We have to make a return to be able to pay the claims.
So, from my understanding, profit is your main objective. But is it difficult to achieve profit in the Romanian market?
I think it's challenging to achieve profit, but it can be done. Our main aim is not just to produce a profit. Our aim is to provide great customer service. And the only way that you have a successful business is by having happy customers. So the two go together. But if you don't make a return by allocating your capital, then ultimately you go out of business. And so this is why we've adopted this stance. And we think that fundamentally the whole market needs to change in Romania, because there are insurance companies here who are writing business at a loss, and they're not going to make money on the float of the cash that they take from doing that. So what is happening is a healthy readjustment in the market.
You recently expanded to Turkey and Bulgaria. Which is your first impression maybe about those markets?
I think that Bulgaria is a smaller version of the Romanian market. It has similar trends, and I think that we've been very innovative in Romania and coming out with new products. We basically invented the bond insurance for the construction industry here. We invented event insurance here. We're doing the same thing in Bulgaria. We're bringing new products to the marketplace which didn't exist. In Turkey, we see a niche in the marine, aviation, cargo business, where we're doing business in certain areas, but really restricted to the Black Sea and the Turkish shipping. We're not running a global marine book. We're trying to be local and do that well.
Do you plan to expand to other countries other than the one you already expanded to?
Well, we've been looking at some of the other countries neighboring Romania. We think it doesn't make sense to expand somewhere which is a long way away from here. Our headquarters is here in Romania. So we might look at Serbia, we might look at Hungary, we might look at countries nearby. And selectively, we will look at those countries. And that is actually something that we're doing at the moment. We haven't made any decisions, but we are selectively looking at countries to see whether what we've done in Bulgaria we can do somewhere else.
This event is basically dedicated to your partners, especially the insurance brokers in Romania. How do you see the market developing in that direction? I mean, do brokers start to gain more and more importance here?
Yes, I mean, brokers were doing roughly half the market. They're now doing 65% of the market. And I think in our space, in the corporate market, they will continue to be very, very important. And I think that we don't have our own distribution channel. And we don't seek to compete with the brokers. And we sell through brokers. The branches that we have are to augment and support the brokers. So our distribution channel is the brokerage industry. It is not that we're competing with. Some insurance companies have their own agents. We don't do that.
Where do you see yourselves in 5 years from now? Do you aim for a place in the top 10?
No, we don't, because the top 10 will always be dominated by retail firms, and we don't intend to go into the retail space here. We don't intend to do retail motor. We don't intend to do retail property. So really, this company is positioned as a corporate insurance company. This is where we see the long-term future of insurance, because we think the retail classes will be online, and this is a business we wish to be in.
Coming back to the not so distant future, how do you think you will close 2014?
I think we will have another successful year. I mean, it's interesting that at the half-year stage, we already have a bottom-line profit, which we didn't budget. So our underwriting performance this year has been better than we expected, which I think is very positive. And I think that we will continue to grow on last year. I'm not quite sure where it will be yet. I think at the half-year stage, we're pretty much where we were last year. So we've grown like 3-4% at the half-year stage. But we think by year-end, there are trends that are happening, which means that business will grow probably 15% year on year.
Thank you very much for your answers, and best of luck.
Thanks very much.